My name is Stuart Clark. Welcome to the Big Dev Theory.
Hey, what's up, Stuart? Hello, everyone.
So just to recap the demo from the previous week, do it really shortly. So we took this really short piece of Go code.
Yep.
That's basically creating a very simple HTTP server that listens and responds a hello world. Yep. It doesn't have any business logic, but it's not necessary to demonstrate how pipelines looks like. And
Cool.
In the demo from previous week, we took this pipeline and choose several systems to implement it. We took GitHub Actions, AWS ECR, and Kubernetes on AWS. So this is the repository I created. And I'm opening it in VS Code.
Yep.
And let's picture a scenario. I have this really simple Go code, similar as previously. And let's say I'm a developer that built the code, and I also had built some integration with the AWS, and I'm using the AWS token to connect to it, and maybe to talk some of its APIs, maybe uploading some stuff.
Yeah.
And then I discovered, oops, I left a hard-coded secret in my code, and I immediately removed it because I'm I might understand the risk of leaving hard-coded secrets in the code. Mistakes happen.
Yep, they do.
But some don't understand that the history remembers.
Right.
So this repository, I mean, it's currently open source. Everyone could look at it, and it contains the entire history of all the commits and all the stuff that inserted and deleted.
Yeah.
So I could really easily inspect the history of of this repository. I could see that the key that was removed is still logged.
Yep.
And for this example, this is a AWS token that could be still active. In this case, it's not active because
disclaimer there.
Yeah, but in other cases, it could be still active and could be used maliciously. So, for example, let's go back to the SolarWinds attack. There has been saying that the attackers that have attacked lately, after the SolarWinds breach, they attacked also Microsoft through the SolarWinds product.
Yeah.
And the reporters said that the attackers searched for all the repositories of Microsoft for these hard-coded secrets because they wanted to find some valuable assets, valuable secrets and tokens to get access to Microsoft Cloud, for example.
Yeah.
What kind of security issues we can have in this pipeline in several places.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's the point. You know, there's different parts of the the puzzle here where we need to be conscientious of where we're building our security into our pipeline and into our software development lifecycle. It's I always refer to security like a house kind of thing. And if someone wanted to come into the house, there's more than one way to get into the house. They could either come through the front door, they could come through various different windows, or if they're quite nimble, they could go through a cat flap. So there's all these kind of different kind of areas. Trust it from me, a human can get through a cat flap. I am speaking from experience there.
This is really basically you're creating an issue through GitHub, right? Somebody rejected code. Since you have an automated process here, that code is being executed, and then you're actually creating a file to add to the repo that's being deployed in your pipeline.
Sure. So one of the best mitigations for secrets, hard-coded secrets or misconfigurations or stuff like that is to use some security tooling to stop stuff before they get into your repository.
Hey there! Thanks for checking out this video. Remember to give it a like and share with your community. Then hit subscribe and the bell for